After we buy a home, the main thing is interior, and that is what our main focus was on. ऐसा घर जिसमें जाके आपको लगे कि यार this is actually the place of सुकून.
And actually we told them also that we should name the house Sukoon, and they have made it.
My name is Sameer Vadera. I work for Indigo Airlines as an aircraft engineer, and she's my wife Vinny. We tried speaking with like 8 to 10 interior guys, and then finally we came across some of the perfect and brilliant designs by Trio Designo, and we contacted them. The day we met them, we finally, from inside we knew that these are the guys who could make our dream home.
It's only them. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं थी. Like we used to tell them, sir ये हो जाएगा. उन लोग प्यार से बोलते थे, हाँ मैम हो जाएगा, हाँ मैम, हाँ सर हो जाएगा. So we knew it कि कुछ there's a saying, you name it, we have it. It's for them. We name it and they have made it possible. Our dream home is only possible because of them.
And generally, I had spoken to many of my colleagues and friends जिन्होंने अपना घर बनाया था, and the main issues coming, I mean, they were facing were, किसी का टर्नकी में किसी के कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल में इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, कुछ किसी का कारपेंटर ठीक काम नहीं करता है. Every now and then they have to barge in and they have to take the stand for, I mean, themselves कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा होगा. But in our case, it was totally opposite. From day one, from the time of designs, 2 या 3 डिज़ाइन में, I guess their designs were so brilliant and so eye-catchy that we finally decided in maybe 3 to 4 days. हाँ, but उसमें end day तक changes करते रहे, and these guys never said no to our changes. का मतलब ही वही होता है कि basically people
you don't have to worry about
you don't
it.
have to worry about it. टर्नकी इसीलिए देते हैं because job people like us, job oriented people, working class, they don't have to hamper their job life and take a headache about the interior.
And they have taken all our headache and made this house possible.
Yeah, it was really from day 1 to day 72. They had said that they'll deliver it in 75 days, but my gosh, they delivered it in 72 and it was all perfect. Starting from
color selection
to material selection
everything.
to everything. You name it and they have it in their office. They मतलब ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं जो उनके पास है नहीं. मतलब हम बोलते थे ये हाँ हो जाएगा, and they used to bring in the materials or anything on the next day itself.
So as we said, our dream house is only possible because of Chandra sir and Dipesh sir. They were friendly throughout, cordial throughout. They had ears to listen. जो भी बोलते थे उन लोग आराम से सुनते थे. They used to visit the site every time. हम लोग उनको छोटी छोटी चीज़ बोलते थे कि सर ये बनाना है, ये चाहिए, तो they have not told no to anything. हमने जो बोला उन्होंने सब बना के दिया. Everything like trust issues थे ही नहीं. हम आँख बंद करके उन पे विश्वास कर देते थे. We knew it कि ये काम परफेक्ट हो जाएगा.
Dipesh bhai and Chandra bhai are one of the most humblest and generous persons I've ever come across, and to be honest, they are very professional as well as very friendly. Right from the start, professionalism दिखता है उनके काम में, उनके बात करने के तरीके में. And first and foremost, the last thing maybe सबको ये जनरली होता है कि ट्रस्ट इश्यूज में भी. आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स जिनके इंटीरियर हो रहा था एंड इट स्टॉप्ड इन बिटवीन बिकॉज ऑफ सम इश्यूज. तो इसमें ऐसा कोई भी इशू नहीं था. द पेमेंट टर्म्स वर वेरी क्लियर, द deadlines were very clear, and they met each and everything as perfect on date. We have come across from Trio Designo. So hats off to Chandra sir and Dipesh bhai. They are superb. No words for them.
Blessed to have them.
Blessed to have them. And in future, I have told them all the future contracts of my home or offices are going to them. So guys, this is from me and my wife. We just want to say that if you actually want to bring your dream
Dreams to
of
reality.
living dreams to reality, or your dreams come true about your dream living in a dream home, you must contact Trio Designer, because they are the perfect guys to deliver the set product, to give suggestions, to provide workers, to everything. You name any point on the list of architecture and they have it. And
We highly recommend it.
highly recommended.